Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate about local and global variables in Java. So let's get started. The variables that you create inside the methods are called as local variables, and the variables that you generally create outside the methods and directly under the class are called as global variables. Let me practically demonstrate this local and global variables for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here I'm going to create a new class. Let me name this class as demoyum, some random name, and I'm auto-generating this main method code. Fine. Now, if I create a variable inside the methods, the variables are called as local variables. So here we have the main method. Apart from the main method, I'll create one more method, guys, like this public static void, let's say the name of the method, some random name I'm giving here, sample A. Now, here main is also a method. The sample A is also a method, right? So inside any of these methods, if I create some variables, for example, here inside the main method, if I create int A is equal to 5, or here I'll create int B is equal to 10. This variable A, which is created inside this method, which is a main method in this case, is nothing but a local variable. The variables which you create inside the methods are called as local variables. Here B is also a local variable because this B variable is created inside this another method. This is also a local variable. So this is a local variable, this is also a local variable. Now what if I create a variable outside these methods? So inside this class, outside the methods, if I create some variable here at this place, which is inside the class, because in Java programming, we have to enclose everything inside the class. That's why I'm saying I'm going to create a variable inside this class, but outside these methods. If I write something like int c is equal to 15, this variable is called as a global variable. Okay. This thing or this variable that I have created outside the methods and directly inside the class is called as a global variable. Why we have to call them as local variables? Why we have to call this variable as a global variable? I'll explain. So when you create a variable inside the methods, that variables are called as local variables, right? Why? Because they are local. The scope of this particular variable is up to this method only. You cannot access this particular variable outside this method. For example, if I write a print statement here in another method, and if I try to print the variable A, what is happening? You see, the variable is created inside this method, but I'm trying to use this variable in another method. But the scope or the lifespan of this particular variable is only up to this method, from here to here only. From where it got created to till the end of the method only, we can actually use this variable. But I cannot access this particular variable outside this method because the scope of this particular variable is up to this method only. Okay? The scope of this particular local variable is in the method in which it got created. I cannot access here. You see, already I'm getting an error. A cannot be resolved to a variable. There is a problem. Now, can I access the variable here inside the same method in which it got created, where the local variable got created? Yes, we can access here. For example, if I access A here, you see I'm not getting any problem, right? I'm not getting any problem. So same thing applies for the B also. I cannot access this B here. I can access the B inside the method in which it got created because B is also a here B is also a local variable. If I print B, here also not a problem. I can access, okay? Because the variable B is created inside this method, the scope of the variable B is up to this method in which it got created because it is a local variable. But coming to the global variable, the scope of the global variable is throughout this entire class, okay? It's not up to one method. The scope of this global variable is throughout the entire class. For a while, okay, for a while, I'm going to specify static before this variable. Okay. Even though this is a global variable, I'm going to specify static. Why and all, you don't try to understand right now. Okay. So just provide static keyword in extra keyword before this global variable for a while. Okay. Later I'll explain there are different types of global variables like static global variables and non-static global variables, or we can also call non-static as instance global variables. All these varieties I'll cover after few topics. At this point of time, you cannot understand those topics. I need to cover few topics. Later after the topics, you'll understand why static, why not static and all those stuff. Okay. In this example, just provide static blindly, okay, before this global variable. You see what I am saying? This particular global variable can be accessed throughout this class. That means, can I access here system.out.println? See, can I access? Yes, I can access. You see, I'm not getting an error. If I remove static, you will get an error, guys. That's the reason I asked you guys to provide static. Okay. So why and all I'll cover later. Okay. Anyhow, this particular variable, which is a global variable, which is specified with static in this example, can be accessed inside this method. Not only inside this method, here also you can access system.out.println. See, anywhere throughout this class I can access because the scope of the global variable is throughout the class, whereas the scope of the local variable is up to the method in which it got created. Fine. Now you may get one more aspect is there for this local variables, guys. Okay, there is one more special local variables we have in Java. Okay, apart from this, there is one more special local variables in Java. What is that? For example, if I create one method like this, public void, let's say sample b, here int a comma int b or int x comma int y I'll give for a while. Okay. Now here, here guys, system.out.println, x plus y I'm giving, that's okay. Now, what about these things, these parameters? Are these parameters are also local variables? Can we call these parameters also as local variables? Yes, these are special type of. Okay, these are not normal local variables. Okay, these are the general local variables. The variables which are created inside the methods are called as general local variables. But coming to the parameters of a particular method, they are also local to this method only. The scope of this parameters is only up to this method only. Okay, so indirectly or directly, these particular parameters are also special type of local variables. Okay, indirectly they are local variables only because their scope is up to this method only. I cannot access this x and y outside this method. For example, if I want to access x here, I'm getting an error. You see, this is not possible. Okay. These are also some special type of local variables because their scope is up to the method in which they are acting like parameters. Fine. So hope guys you understood what exactly are local variables and global variables in Java. Coming to the local variables, the variables that you create inside the method and the variables which are in the form of method parameters, etc. Okay, are called as local variables. But the variables which are directly, okay, the variables that are directly created inside the class, but outside the methods are called as global variables. Okay, so that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.